This is a non-Newtonian fluid. It's a combination of cornstarch and water. For all of you that don't know what the definition of a non-Newtonian fluid is, it's a fluid that defies Isaac Newton's laws of physics. For example, here, if I just slapped it, this looks like a hard surface. But if I put my hand into it, it just seeps in. This is not magic. This is just basic science. This is not a chemical reaction. It is more of a physical change of the chemistry within this. For example, it does not have the water, the substance does not have enough time to get out of the way when I slap it. That's why it's a solid, because it can't get out of the way by the time I slap my hand on it. But if I leave it there for a while, it finally has enough time to get out of the way and allow my hand to sink. And you could also even run on this. If there was an entire pool of this, you could theoretically run across it if you're fast enough. So, and you'd technically be running on a combination of water and cornstarch. Alright, I will demonstrate.
No, I'll do it.
Kaden will demonstrate running on it.
No, Case.
No, I'm not gonna do it. You do it.
I'll demonstrate it. Okay. I'm going to demonstrate on how you can run on cornstarch and water. The trick is, you just gotta move fast enough. Okay. Wait, hold on. Well, I just step in, sink in. It feels like running in glue. Oh, let me get. This has got terribly wrong. Okay, now Kaden will demonstrate walking on cornstarch. You ready, little man?
Okay, no. Step on. Grab my hand.
Okay.
Just put your foot.
You good?
You gotta go fast.
Okay, start running. Hold you.
I'm running.
Oh.
Now sink.
Oh my gosh.
I'm running.
You see how it's like a solid surface while he's running on it, then he sinks in? His feet are moving fast enough where the material cannot get out of the way fast enough.
Yeah, that's gross. Sink.
I can do it on this one now.
Alright, Casey.
I can't get up.
I'm gonna hold you up.
When I walk
If
in,
you fall, I'm not
you
catching you.
Oh no, my feet! Oh, my feet! Oh, that feels so weird.
Casey's like a good example of how he's not sinking. And now stop.
Oh,
You got shorter.
it feels so weird. Ow! Oh! My left foot! It feels so weird between my toes. Oh!
You good, little man?
I'm running faster. Sink. Someone else try. Ow.
No, can at least one of you describe on what it feels like?
There's like boogers between my toes. It does.
How about more accurate description, Kaden?
Sticky.
Sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky. Really sticky.
Oh no!
My description would be like feeling like walking in a glue or putty.
I can't get this one out. I can't. Oh. But it feels like kind of this. I got a big chunk on my left toes.
What?
Oh, dance off on cornstarch and water.
Look, I'm just gonna walk. Come on.
Oh!
It's dry.
Oh, wow.
I'm stuck.
That is interesting. It's like
There's stuff
dry
between
glue.
my
It's like,
toes.
no, it's dry Elmer's glue.
I can't get out. Oh boy.
I got you.
I got it.
Alright, and now I'm gonna pour this bowl of cornstarch into the other bowl of cornstarch to show you this interesting scientific property called diffusion. Now what diffusion is, when I pour it in here, you'll notice on how it immediately flattens out. Now, diffusion is just a natural thing with all liquids on how they want to spread out evenly, which is why you never have a higher level of liquid on one side of the pan than a lower point on the other, because it always wants to stay equal. This is rapid diffusion. You see how it isn't clumping up and making it like a large hill, as I like to call it. It's rapidly spreading out among the rest of the cornstarch and water. There we go. Let's see if we can get the rest of this out. This has a very high viscosity. All right. There we go. Last but see how that just rapidly came in there? That is diffusion at work. Now again, see how it's like a solid surface, but still at least somewhat jiggles like liquid?
Jelly.
Hands nearly clean. And then slowly let it sink in. Man, that's fascinating for me. And see how rapidly that closed up around my hand? Diffusion. It did not want to leave an imprint in my hand because it wanted to be even, thanks to gravity. Gravity will help spread this out equally throughout the entire pan, which is why one side isn't over, like pouring over pan, one side isn't shallow. You'll see it in water if you try it. You can't get water to stay super tall on one side of the pan, can you? Get food coloring and just drop a little bit into the water. You'll see on how the entire cup of water will become that color of food coloring in just a short amount of time. Diffusion. Same thing with this.
Picker.
Watch. I'm a picker.
I'm a picker.
So cool, and how your hands just stays clean.
All right, I'm going
Cameron,
in.
you can grab a big chunk. Try to grab a big chunk.
No.
Grab.
Wait, no, stop grabbing. Stop grabbing. Stop.
No grabbing.
Look at that.
No. This looks like what
This
came
is
inside
also
the
like
case
this is like a liquid and solid hybrid.
Rocks.
It's so dense you can pick it up, but it doesn't just slosh out of your hands. It's halfway between liquid and solid. Wow.
Cameron,
Oh, let's let Cole try to step on it.
step in it.
Step in
in
it.
it.
I need
Step
someone to
in
guide
it.
me. Can someone help me?
No.
Use your head.
All right, Casey's gonna move
Wait,
her hand.
he has to let that drip.
Okay.
Oh, great, you're still dripping. All right. I'm gonna break this thing. I'm not sinking. It's
Stop
like-
walking.
it's like-
Stop walking.
Okay, that is
Roly
cold.
poly. Let's put the roly poly.
No, don't put the roller pole in there.
That is so cold.
Roly poly.
Now take your foot.
Oh, it's like running in glue. Oh, great. Oh, great. I'm sleeping.
That's mom's flip flops, by the way.
Oh, sticking. This is so weird. It feels like you're running on glue.
Exactly. That's probably one of the best descriptions. Oh my gosh. The one that's on the side of the road is like liquid and solid at the same time.
You're trying to pull your feet out.
Yeah, this stuff diffuses intense. This is what happens when you let me watch Bill Nye. So Bill Nye, if you ever watch this, thank you for always teaching me about science when I was a little kid. Your shows are awesome. And I love chemistry and science. This is awesome. I love this. That's how you say it. It's like a combination of like the materials wanting to become a liquid, then it just was it's like a solid liquid hybrid. I don't know how to put this into words. It's like there's three states in which matter can be in, either liquid, gas, or solid. This is like in between liquid and solid. This stuff is you need to try this out for yourself. This is awesome. Alright, don't forget, like and subscribe to see more content like this.
And ring the bell.
Get the bell on.